After getting back a token, we have to store it on a secure places because we need to use this token in the future. Let me give an example that where we will use this token and why it's so important for us. So I have prepared one PPT for that. So suppose this is your blog app or your front end, and this is the Node.js backend server. The Node.js backend server is connected with the MongoDB. At that time we will send data to the Node.js backend server, like while creating a profile page we will send back the data like first name, last name and all the profile related data to the backend. But how this backend will verify that it's coming from the validated user or not? I mean, the user is login with the blogger or not. How the backend will be verified? We will send the additional thing called token with the profile data to the Node.js backend. So at the time of storing the data on the MongoDB, Node.js first verify the token that it's valid or not, then only it will store the data on the MongoDB. So when we log in with the Node.js application, at the time we are generating a token and then we are sending it to the blog app. So again blog app will send the token with the other related data like profile data, or while we will post the blog data like blog title, blog content, all these things. At the time we will send a token to the Node.js application to authorize the user with the backend. Similarly, if we want the data from the Node.js application, I mean we want the profile data with the backend, first we need to send the token to the backend. So the backend will verify and then it will send the profile data to the front end. If we ask the profile data from the backend, so with help of token only it will authorize the blog app or the user, then it will send back the profile data to the blog app. After getting back data, we will show that data according to our UI format. So this is the token related thing. Now we have to store the token into the secure places. How we will do that? We have to use one additional package called Flutter secure storage. With help of that we will store the token into the secure places where there will be no any theft will happen. So to install it, we had to just copy this thing and paste it on the pubspec.yaml file. Let me go on that, and we have to paste it just below this login package. Hit the save and it will run the Flutter pub package. So this thing will done. Let me go on the documentation where we will have to use the Flutter secure storage package, and here you will get a documentation like we have to first import it and we have to just create an instance, then how we will write the thing on this storage and how we will read the thing on this storage. So basically the Flutter secure package will apply the same fundamental like hash map. In the hash map we have to send the key and value pair. According to that the hash map will be created. Similarly on the Flutter secure storage we have the key and value pair. So let's use it first, and before that we have to do one thing also, that it's required API level 18. We have to set it also. But let me copy this thing and paste it on the Flutter project where we have a sign in page. And if I will paste it here, and we have to just do one thing is that we have to go on to the Android folder. Inside the app folder we have build.gradle file, where we have to specify the minimum SDK version 18 only. Then only this package will run, otherwise it will show the error. It's showing that we have a error. That error will be gone once we will use this, and the error is gone right now. So we have to create an instance. Let me go back on the documentation where we have the documentation of how we will create an instance. Just copy it and paste it on the just below the all the other variable. Just hit the save and it will create an instance. Similarly, how we will write, we have to store the data. That means we have to write the data onto the secure package. So again go back, and here we have the write method to store the token onto the secure storage package. Right now we are just storing it, that's why I am using the write method. But later on, at the time of sending this token back to the backend part, we will use this read method. So let me use it also. We will use it inside the onTap method, where we are getting back a token. Just here, just print the code, and no, it's wrong. Okay, we can use it like storage dot write. Here we have a key. You can specify any key for the token. I am just specifying the same name of the token, and in the value we have to pass the value which we are getting here. So let me use it as a value, and just use await first because it is a IO related operation, so we have to use the await also. Hit the save and it will store the token after logging a user into the secure places. After successfully login, also we have to go on the home page. So let me create a home page where we will write the code of the home page related UI. Sorry for that, because there is rain happening, that's why there is a lot of noise. I am using awesome Flutter snippet to reduce the code writing. So with help of that, I am just had to write some simple word, then it will automatically create the snippet for me. So the name will be the home page. Right now it's have a container as a return. Let's convert it to the scaffold, because we will have additional functionality like body, app bar, other related thing on the scaffold. In the scaffold we have a body parameter. Inside the body I am just sending back a text right now, because we have to write the whole UI code into the next video. So it will like welcome on blog app. Right now just do one thing, wrap it with the center widget, because if we will not wrap it with the center widget, then it will not seen by us. Just go back on the sign-in page. Just after the setting the state, we will use the navigator to navigate from the login page to the home page. At this time I will use push and remove until. With help of that, we will remove the all other pages like login page and the welcome page from the stack. So after I will click the sign in button, I will just land into the home page, and if I will click back on the home page, then there will be, I will not come back on the sign in page. It is confusing. I will show it on the demo. So I have to provide the root. Again, it will be a material page root, where we have, just wait a minute, where we have a builder. Inside the builder we have a context, and we will get onto the home page. Hit the save, and just do one thing, just use it. I think we are getting a error because I had to use it. Okay, hit the save, and let's log in here. Again I will use dev capital stack 06 and 1 2 3 4 5. If I will click a sign in, then we will register, we will log in a user with the blog app backend. Just wait a minute, maybe the internet is slow. And now we get back a token over here, and no implementation found for the method write on channel. This thing will happen because of we didn't restarted our app. Just restart your app again, then this error will be gone. If again we will sign in the user, just let me sign in and pass the password, then just wait a minute while making a connection, then we came back to the welcome page. It's mean the token is successfully stored on the secure storage. And now if I will just want to go back on the sign in page, then we will not able to go back on the sign in page because we used the push remove until. With help of that, we are just going to the welcome, just going to the home page, and if we click on the back, then we will come back from the app. Similar thing is happen on the another app also. After the registering or logging user with the app, if we go on the home page, then we will not come back onto the login or register page. So this video is for the login and token related thing. In the next video we will work on the home page. Some of the topic I am not covering right now is sign up page related thing, like just we did on the login page, we had to do on the sign up page also. After successfully registering a user, we had to call the login API, and we had to log the user and get back a token from the login, and we had to store it again on the secure storage. You can take help of this video for the sign up related thing. In the next video I will cover the home page related UI development for the blog app, and we will continue developing this blog app until we will just develop it fully workable. So what I will do, that I will open source the code of this blog app, and I will put the link of the GitHub repository on the description, that so you can help you can take help of that repository for the sign up related thing. Thank you all, happy coding, and please subscribe this channel, and hope till the next video the noise related issue will be solved. App, just wait.